Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more energy drink mocktail. That mocktail name is Monster Gold. How to make Monster Gold? First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add like 15 ml of kesar syrup. Then you have to add 15 ml of 10 to 15 ml of caramel syrup. This is little bit of sweet mocktail. After that, you have to add 10 ml of cinnamon syrup. This all mocktail you won't find in online. I'm always making some new mocktail. That's it. 10 to 15 ml of cinnamon syrup. After that, you have to add 5 ml of lime cordial. That's it. Then simply what you will do, just add some ice cube. Don't add more ice cube. Then simply shake all the ingredients properly. Take well. You have to take more time for this mocktail. That's why the mocktail name is Monster Gold. Then take a glass and pour all the mixing ingredients. See how that golden color came for this mocktail. Then simply you have to fill the glass with Monster. See, see how that very fancy mocktail. Actually, you can try. This is the Monster mocktail. Okay. Actually, I add little bit of more, no problem. You have to see the mocktail name is Monster Gold. See, slowly you have to pour actually, uh, because already I shake more time. That's why the foam came and foam came outside. No problem. See how the golden color can you can see the golden color for this mocktail, and you have to add slowly some more Monster. Okay, the combination is cinnamon, caramel syrup, kesar syrup, and cinnamon syrup, and little bit of lime cream. You have to shake all the ingredients and you have to pour in a glass. After that, simply you have to add the monster, and the mocktail name is Monster Gold Mocktail. See the color? That's it. See, your mocktail is ready. Okay, I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.